Have you ever felt like you are always chasing a closure? Like you're always looking for that missing piece of puzzle of your life before even allowing yourself to start living? You know, Albert Camus says it beautifully. He says, to deal with an unfree society, you should be so absolutely free that your very existence becomes an act of rebellion. But what that means, how we can do that in a society that is always chasing closure, a plan, a purpose. Every question needs an immediate answer. Every steps we take needs a destination. Every even emotion needs a perfect reason. So what if is the trap? What if the need for closure is what is keeping us stuck? Because if we are always looking for a closure, if we are always looking for the perfect moment, the perfect answer, and the perfect version of ourselves, what we are doing, we are keeping our life on hold. So stay with me to the end of this video. And we are going to look at it together and see how we can find a way to live instead of to always search for something. Here's the truth. You never can arrive. You never can find the perfect version of yourself or perfectly being resolved. And it's okay. It's very human. Because the true freedom isn't about finding a final version of yourself, but it's about living without needing one. Let go of that final draft mentality. Stop trying to search for that perfect version of yourself. Instead, look at life as a work in progress. Be okay with that unfinished version of yourself, because there are always unfinished parts. Detach from that mental validation. Remind yourself that you don't need others to validate you or validate your existence. Your worth is not in approval of others, but is to do right things for yourself, even if they're messy, even if they're not perfect. Because remember, the control you have is inside your mind. Outside your mind, you have no control on anything. Live in now, not by milestone. Don't validate yourself by your achievement. Achievement is good, but it's a part of your life. Living is also in moments, in ordinary things that you're experiencing. Live in now. Learn how to use that nowness. Nowness is not that app that you download in your phone and try it half an hour a day. Because the moment you start with N and you finish with the final S, it's already passé, it's already gone. Nowness is a mentality. It's what you experience, not by apps, but truly experience it every day. Life is not a puzzle to be solved. It's an experience to be lived. Allow yourself to live without looking for that final version of yourself, without needing to unfold everything, without looking to unfold that final chapter of your life in advance. Because no matter how many questions you have in your mind, the questions and the answer both keep changing, keep evolving while you're experiencing life. We all have been told that the life is a puzzle to be solved. But the truth is, if you want to play the game of life, the puzzle is a terrible game to play. Because when you find the last missing piece, after that is nothing, is emptiness. Instead, look at life like a game of Lego if you want to play a game. You as a foundation of it, and other blocks with a million possibilities to construct and deconstruct and construct again. If you feel lost, if you feel that you're not getting the answer, or if you feel like you're tired of chasing closure, remember, you're evolving because you don't need to chase closure, because you are rebellion in the most beautiful way by existing without apology. Leave in a comment below, what is the one thing that you're going to let go of right today to feel more free? And believe it or not, by my experience, if you write down, there are so many things that you can let go of. Things that doesn't add anything to your life. Things that are not even important. And if you, like me, are tired of closure, of looking for an answer, of being always perfect, of knowing everything in advance, of not trying to live but be only perfect, so stay with me, subscribe, and together we are going to experience life in its best way. We are going to understand what it means to live in the moment and how we can use the tool of nowness instead of making it as another closure every day, a part of plan, daily plan for just half an hour. Stay with me and see you on next video. For now, goodbye.